Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Crypto Hunters, and we are back with crypto news today. So, the BlackRock Bitcoin Spot ETF exceeds 200,000 Bitcoin. Wow, that's a lot of Bitcoin. Yesterday, BlackRock's ETF on Bitcoin Spot exceeded 200,000 Bitcoin. In fact, according to official data, the iShares Bitcoin Trust now holds more than 203,000 Bitcoins as collateral for its over 357 million shares issued on the market. Impressive. The success of BlackRock's ETF on Bitcoin Spot, the iShares Bitcoin Trust, with its ticker IBIT, is BlackRock's Spot Bitcoin ETF. In fact, iShares is a subsidiary of BlackRock that issues and manages ETFs. Okay, it debuted on the markets. It debuted on the markets on the Nasdaq on January 11th, and in exactly 2 months, it has raised over $14.5 billion in assets under management. Since it is a passive ETF on Bitcoin, all its shares are fully and exclusively collateralized in BTC, so its assets under management is made up only of Bitcoin. This is the second largest Bitcoin ETF in the world by assets under management, after Grayscale's GBTC, but the largest by daily trading volumes. The day of its stock market debut had already exceeded $1 billion in trading volumes. That's a lot of money, and as debut $1 billion in trading volume, so in less than a day, it did $1 billion in trading. That's cool. But starting from February 28th, it has surpassed $3 billion daily. Whoa, for 5 times. In fact, yesterday it set a new record with almost $4 billion in trading volumes in a single day. For example, the iShares Gold Trust, which is the spot ETF of BlackRock on gold, has an asset under management of almost $27 billion, but it has been around for almost 20 years. Furthermore, its daily trading volumes on the stock exchange almost never exceeded $300 million, less than a tenth of those of IBIT. The highest daily trading volume ever of BlackRock's gold ETF was recorded in March 2022
if you could see
with nearly $3 billion. Whoa. So Bitcoin ETF trading has surpassed gold ETF trading. IBIT has already surpassed this record 6 times, despite being on the market for only 2 months. So BlackRock's gold ETF, which started 2 years ago, has been surpassed by Bitcoin's ETF, which started 2 months ago. So this is an exponential growth, which means that all focus should be on cryptocurrencies from now on, not on gold or silver, like people want you to believe. I mean, I know that gold and silver still have their value, but you can't carry it with you if you're trying to go over the border. You can't carry it on the plane with you. You're going to get searched and taken by people who are smarter than you, who know their job better than you. So I would definitely just stick to things that you can put in your pocket, like a USB stick. So the largest Bitcoin ETF in the world is Grayscale's Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. This is a fund that has been in existence for over 10 years, and on January 11th, it became an ETF. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust holds about 388,000 Bitcoin, which is less than double that of IBIT. On January 10th, it held over 620,000, but with the launch of an ETF in the U.S. stock exchanges on Bitcoin Spot, it has effectively given way to the latter, much more convenient for investors. Note that the asset under management of Grayscale Bitcoin Trust is over $27 billion, therefore higher than BlackRock's gold ETF. Given that many capital are moving from Grayscale Bitcoin Trust to other Bitcoin ETFs, and in particular to IBIT, it is possibly not only that in the coming weeks BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF surpasses Grayscale's, but also surpasses the gold one. In third place is Fidelity ETF, FBTC with 127,000 Bitcoin. Combined, FBTC and IBIT now hold a number of Bitcoins close to that of Grayscale, and it is possible that they will soon surpass it. Wow. However, I would still never trust any company with my coins, especially when I get a Bitcoin. I would never trust anybody else but myself. However, in total, there is 964,000 Bitcoin held by the ETFs and similar funds worldwide. Wow. New patient capital management files to investors to 15% of its $1.4 billion opportunity chasing spot Bitcoin ETF. Well, so there you have it, everybody. So Bitcoin ETFs are surpassing gold and silver ETFs by over 10 times, and so they've done 2 months in what it took gold ETFs 2 years to do. So that's obviously the future.